Hello everyone. I believe you must be searching for RAR password recovery when you lost your RAR password. And today's video is going to show you how to recover RAR password with PassFab for RAR. You can go to our official website or click the link in the description to get this RAR password unlocker. Now, launch PassFab for RAR. Click Add to import your locked RAR file. Then select one password attack method. Click Start. And you can get your password on the screen. Copy it to unlock your RAR.